So Screaming Chicken and I are gonna teach y'all how to wheelie today. Fucking motherfucker. Alright, so as I was saying, you obviously want to be safe about it. You're gonna want to cover that rear brake just in case, you know. I say we're really fast. That's how you do a wheelie, I guess. It's always better to start in second gear, but hover over that rear brake. But all you're gonna do when you're first starting is you're gonna do a little like that. Those little ones, just to get comfortable, you know, of that jerkiness. You get comfortable with that jerkiness of the front wheel coming up off the ground, and slowly but surely you'll be able to just pop it up and hold it. I think that was in second gear, I don't know. I prefer first gear. Bring it up really fast. But I'll try some first gear wheelies on the way down to show kind of what that's more like. You know what? Added tip. You're going around a U-turn like this while you're waiting for that green light. Don't just sit here mindlessly. Check right there, see if there's any gravel. I don't see any. So I know it's a semi-safe U-turn, you know. Alright, so first gear. So we're in first gear. Same thing. Just pops up a little bit more violently. But that's okay. We don't get leader bikes. Actually, I guess you don't get a leader bike unless you kind of know how to wheelie a little bit. But you don't get a bike unless you like it. Unless you like a violin, I guess. I don't know. It's like a whoop, whoop, whoop. Your rev's gonna go right before, and then it just dumps. Just quick little. I'm doing it first gear just because I like it better. Quick little ones, little tiny ones, just to get used to it, you know. Easy. And sooner or later you'll be able to fly down the whole street. A fucking wheelie. Attract all types of cops. Piss off every old lady. All the parents, all the grandparents, all the cousins, and everybody's gonna think you're crazy.